Hello friend, in this video we will discuss second part of second unit. Let us now start. Question number 26 is bitwise space give 1 if either of the bits is 1 and 0 when both of the bits are 1. Right answer will be option C, XOR. XOR. Next is what will be the output of the following Python expression? Right answer will be option C, 8. Next is what will be the output of the following Python code if A is equal to 10 and B is equal to 20? A is equal to 10, B is equal to 20, A is equal to A oblique B, B is equal to A dash B. Right answer will be option C, 20 and 10. Next is what will be the output of the following Python expression? Right answer will be option B, -101. Next is the value of expression 4 oblique bracket 3 star 2 minus 1 in bracket and 4 divided by 3 star 2 dash 1 is the same. This statement is true or false? This statement is true. Right answer will be option A. Next is what will be the value of following Python expression? 4 plus 3 divided by 5. Right answer will be option B, 7. Next is evaluate the expression given below if A is equal to 16 and B is equal to 15. A divided by B oblique A. Right answer will be option B, 0.0. 0. Next is which of the following operators has its associative from right to left? Right answer will be option D, double star. Next is what will be the value of x in the following Python expression? X is equal to int in bracket 43.55 plus 2 oblique 2. Right answer will be option B, 44. Next is what is the value of the following expression? 2 plus 4.00 oblique 2 double star 4.0. Right answer will be option A, 6.0, 16.0. Next is which of the following is the truncation division operator? Right answer will be option C, double oblique. Next is what are the value of the following Python expression? Right answer will be option D, 512, 64, 512. Next is what is the value of the following expression? Right answer will be option A. Next is what is the value of the following expression? float bracket में 22/3 plus 3/3. Right answer will be option B, 8.0. Next is, what will be the output of the following Python expression? Print bracket में 4.00/2.0 plus 2.0 in bracket. Right answer will be option B, 1.0. Next is, what will be the value of the x in the following Python expression? Right answer will be option D. Next is, which of the following expression involves coercion when evaluated in Python? Right answer will be option C, 1.7 divided by 2. Next is, what will be the output of the following Python expression? Right answer will be option A, 1, 3. Next is, which among the following list of operators has the highest precedence? Plus, minus, double star, percentage, oblique, double less than, double greater than. Right answer will be option B. Next is, what will be the value of the following Python expression? Float bracket 4 plus int bracket 2.39% 2. Right answer will be option C, 4.0. Next is, which of the following expression is an example of type conversion? Right answer will be option A, 4.0 plus float 3. Next is, which of the following expression results in an error? Right answer will be option D, int 10.8. Next is, what will be the value of the following Python expression? Right answer will be option B, 7. Next, and this is the last question of this unit. The expression 2*2*3 is evaluates as bracket 2*2*3. This statement is true or false? This statement is false. Thanks for watching this video. Please share and subscribe my channel.